Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the right tip size and a clean AirPod. This prevents poor fit or damage. Once done, hold the AirPod by the stem and position the tip opening over the speaker mesh. Make sure to compress the soft silicone slightly with your thumb so it seats around the nozzle. You'll feel a subtle click or snug resistance when the tip pushes onto the nozzle. Take care to match left and right tips so the orientation stays correct and sealing works properly. You now secure the tip by pushing it straight onto the nozzle until it clicks. This locks the internal ring. Once attached, place the AirPod in your ear at a slight angle toward the ear canal and rotate gently to establish a seal. Make sure to test the physical fit by inhaling or gently tugging. The tip should create light suction and not slip. If sound is muffled or bass is weak, that indicates a poor seal. Try readjusting the angle and reseat the tip. You finish by running the ear tip fit test on your iPhone or playing music to confirm bass and clarity. This validates the seal. Once done, if the fit feels loose or sound lacks low end, switch to the next size up or down and repeat the seating steps. Small changes matter. Make sure tips are not stretched or dirty. Clean or replace them as needed. If problems persist after trying sizes and cleaning, reset the AirPods and, if necessary, contact support for hardware inspection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.